In this video, I'm going to teach you how to appeal policy decisions through the Ads and Extensions table in Google Ads. If you've ever had your ads disapproved and felt frustrated or confused about what to do next, this guide will walk you through the exact process. Knowing how to handle policy issues efficiently can save you time and help keep your campaigns running smoothly. Let's begin by opening Google Ads. You can go directly to the official Google Ads site or simply search for it in your browser. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you log into the same account that manages your campaigns, so all your data and ads appear correctly. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your central workspace where you can manage campaigns, analyze performance, and troubleshoot issues. If you're new to the interface, take a moment to explore it. Familiarity will make the next steps much easier. Now, let's move to the part that matters, the appeal process. On the top menu, click the Tools icon. From there, open the Troubleshooting section. This area is where you'll find options for resolving ad-related problems, including disapprovals caused by policy violations. Once inside Troubleshooting, click on Policy Manager. This section displays all the policy decisions affecting your account. You'll see a list of disapproved ads, along with explanations of which policies were violated. Review this carefully to understand what caused the issue before submitting an appeal. Next to each disapproved ad, you'll find an appeal button. Click it to start your request. Google will prompt you to provide specific information about why you believe the ad should be reviewed again. This is where you need to be clear and concise. Explain your reasoning, mention any corrections you've made, and include any context that supports your appeal. After submitting, Google will begin reviewing your case. The review period can vary depending on the complexity of the issue, so it's best to be patient. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Google will contact you once a decision has been made or if they need more details. In the meantime, make sure your other ads and campaigns comply with Google's advertising policies. Regularly reviewing content, landing pages, and targeting practices can prevent future disapprovals. And that's it. You've learned how to appeal a policy decision through the Ads and Extensions table in Google Ads. Following these steps will help you address ad disapprovals quickly and keep your campaigns running efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips on managing your online ads effectively.